Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create Google Drive link to share photos. So let's get started. First, go to Google and type in Google Drive. Over here, click on the Google Drive sign in link. After that, log in using your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, click on your profile icon to switch between them. Then, once you're inside Google Drive, click on New and select New Folder. Name this folder something like shared photos and click create. After that, go to my drive and you'll see the folder you just created. Double click to open it. Now it's time to upload your photos. Over here, you can click new and then file upload to select your photos from your computer. Or you can simply open File Explorer, select the photos you want, and drag them into the Google Drive folder. Once the photos are uploaded, you'll see them appear inside the folder. Now right-click on the folder name Shared Photos and click Share. After that, you'll have two options. You can either enter someone's email address and send them an invite directly, or if you want to share a link, click Copy Link. Before you send the link, check the General Access section. Over here, change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. Then copy the link again. Now anyone with this link can view or download the photos. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.